Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to talk about if statements in Python. So a lot of times you might be dealing with if statements in Python, and it is like a important step of Python programming, so you got to learn these. So what this basically does is it actually helps our program make decisions. So if that happens, then it should print that, and if that doesn't happen, it should print that. So that's how this works. So it is. We also deal with if statements every day, and now we're just gonna teach our program to make decisions like us. So I'm just gonna give you an example. I am going outside. Suppose I'm going outside. So I'm not coding this in Python. I'm just for typing simple English, so it will show error. I'm going outside. So if it is sunny, then I want to take my sunglasses. Well, what is that? If it is not sunny, then I want to take umbrella. So, guys, this is simple English. It's just an example. So, if I'm going outside, so I'm going outside, it says that. So, then if it is sunny, then I want to take my sunglasses. Otherwise, but if it is not sunny, then it might be cloudy or raining. Then I want to take umbrella. So, for this one, we'll use if. So as you can see, this is an orange. So it color codes it in orange if statement. So to make if statement, you simply type out if and you what you wanna compare it to or like that. So I'm gonna say if, or let me create a variable if hello equal to true. So you use that like that, and then you put a bracket. I mean a colon, sorry. So if, and then you put like what do you want to compare, or what do you want to see, and what do you want to make decisions about. So you do that, and then a colon, and it indents your cursor. So this program right here, this example. Now let's code this in Python. So what we gonna do want to do first is to make a variable is sunny equal to true, and is, now let's just do a focus on this. So I told you I had to create if statements. If is sunny, then I want to print take your sunglasses. And for otherwise, like if it's not sunny or it is cloudy or raining, in Python for otherwise we use else, and you could say print take your umbrella. Now if I run it, as you can see, because it says is sunny is equal to true, as it's true, then it will print the sunglasses because it's true. But if I make it false, it will say take your umbrella. There you go. So that's how statements work. So our program is now making decisions. Like it is first checking that if it's true or false, and if it is true, then it will decide and make a print this. And if it is not true, then it will print take your umbrella. So that's how statements work. Now we want to make it a bit more complex. So I'm gonna make it one more variable is rainy. Wait, let me remove this real quick. So is rainy true? And now what we could do, we could make decisions about 2 or 3 items in Python. So I'm gonna add this one too is rainy. And now let me run it. It says take your umbrella. Why? Because even though rainy is true, why doesn't it make say take your umbrella? Because this one is false, and it says if is sunny and is rainy is true, then if both of them are true, then it will print it. But you know, we only want for is sunny, take your sunglasses. So we could create another one right here for rainy. So we could say, well, like elif. Elif is a new one, so it is also like a if statement, but you want to compare another object, and so you use is elif rainy, and I could say print take your umbrella. I'm gonna iron it down. It says take your umbrella, and what if I say take your umbrella, and it can be cloudy or rainy. So as you can see, it says take your umbrella because if it would print this guy if both of them are false. It is if it is not rainy or isn't sunny, but it is only raining. That means it's gonna print this. But if both of them would be false, let me show you real quick. You can see it says take your umbrella and it can be cloudy or raining. But if wait, both of them are true, and now if I run it says take your sunglasses. So that's how if statements work. We can get so I just explained you the basics of if statements. So you can also use elif instead of else right here. So you could say elif is cloudy. Now, right now, I don't have any variable is cloudy, so let me make it really quick. Is cloudy, and I could say false, and let me just do is cloudy. Print take your umbrella. It might rain. And now if you're in it says take your sunglasses because right now this is sunny is set to true. Let me do that to false and this to false, and let me set this one to true. And now it says take your umbrella, it might rain because both of them are false, but this is true. That's why it is gonna only print that one. So now we have covered over the basics of if statements, and now we want to learn about comparisons and if statements. So comparisons and if statements are like you might have heard of this, like 3 is greater than 2. This is one of the comparison, and you could say 2 is less than 3. This is one of the comparison, and one of them is 2 is equal to 2. So for comparisons and for equal to comparison, you don't use a single equal to, but you use two of them in Python. And another one we have 2 and is greater than or equal to 1. So what this checks is if 2 is greater than 1 or equal to 1. So if it is both or it is only 1 like equal to or then it will do something. So that's how that one works, and we are the same for that one. 3 is less than or equal to 3. So now it will still print anything we have there if you say if 3 is less than or equal to 3 because it is still equal to, though it is not less than but it's equal to. So these are the like 4 or 5 comparisons we have in Python. So I told you about the example of like the dog barks and the cat meow. So let's do that. So what we want to do is we want to take input from the user, like it should ask dog or a cat. So if you enter a dog, then using if statement, our program will decide if it is a dog, then it should bark. But if it is a cat, then it should do meow. Okay, so let's get started with that. So we're gonna create a variable pet equals to input statement. So input statement allows us to get data from the user, and then you could say dog or cat. This is our prompt. And now what we could do, if pet, we'll use the equal to this one, this comparison right here, equal to, though this is two equal to's, you can just say equal to, that would be better. If pet is equal to dog, wait, this is a string, dog, then what we want to do is print bark elif, pet is equal to a cat, then print meow. Okay, sorry for running. It says dog or cat. What do you want to choose? Cat. It says meow. And if I do dog, it says bark. So this is the basics of, and now we just got to know the use of the equal to comparison in Python. So you can use this to find out what is pet equal to, and if pet is equal to a certain thing that you, then we can do something with it. We can print something, or we can do something else. So you, some of you guys must be wondering why didn't we use else, because there is only another one there. So if I do else, then and then I do print, right, meow, meow. Now due to the else, it says if it is a dog, then print bark. If it is not a dog, then you should print meow. So there are a lot of words other than dog, right? I could say hello, it will still print meow, because it says if it is dog, then only you'll have to print bark. But if it is not a dog and it is something else, we don't care what is it. But then we'll print meow. So that's why I'm using elif instead of else. So pet equal to, because we gotta be specific, we want a dog or a cat, not any other word. So that's why we are using that. So we went over like the basics of this one, and now yeah, let's do create another program. So I'm just gonna say number equal to input, enter a number. Now, because we're getting a number from the user, it will be automatically converted to a string, and we cannot do any, multiplication or anything like that. No addition, subtraction with strings, only with numbers. So to create it with a number, I'm gonna say int, and then we'll use if statements. So we'll say if number. Now we'll use the comparison first, if less than 5. Then it should print the number is less than 5. But we could say elif number is greater than 5. Then we could say print the number is greater than 5. So that now if I run it, it says enter a number. I'm going to say 2. It says the number is less than 5. So that's what this does, because the number that we enter is 2, and obviously it is less than 5. Then it will print the number is less than 5. But it is greater than 5, then it should print the number is greater than 5. Now right now, if I do 5, then it won't print anything, because we haven't said that equal, like greater equal to, or the less than equal to statement. So if I do that, then see what happens. If I do 5, it will say the number is less than 5, because here we have set it to less than or equal to. So what it will do, if the number is less than or equal to, then it will print 5. Yeah, I mean, if it is, not less than 5, but we have added this equal to, then it will print 5. So that's how that one works. And now if I do it here, so it will do the same. It will say greater than. The number is greater than 5, because same, we have added the equal to 2. So if we print equal to, then it will do that. So we have just gone over the basics of if statements and their comparisons. So if statements are very powerful, and they You might be using them in each of your program if you want to allow your program to make decisions with your data. So uh, I just explain the basics of them. They can get quite complex. Now, so this is it for this video. I hope you liked the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Please subscribe.